Hey guys, what's good? Hope everybody's doing well. I wanted to make a quick video, actually an emergency video of a watch that I have had for a few weeks and has to get put in the mail today as part of a trade. It's a Sinn, and it's a 556. I've had a few of these before, but never one just like this. Now this is the 556i, so I means index, but this is the IM, which means Mocha, which is the dial color. You know, this was one of the first releases of the 556 without the date complication, with an interesting dial color, and now they have several different dial colors. They have blue, yellow, green, orange, whatever. But the Mocha and I think an anthracite were the first ones, and I think these came out in 2016. I think so, that's what it says on the warranty card. But you can kind of see right there that deep brown mocha, for lack of a better term, color. And just a really nice watch, you know, polished and brushed, just like a regular 556. You see the movement, so really good quality. Nice to see that. Typical specs of a 556, you're going to have 200 meters water resistant, 20 millimeter lug width, 38 millimeter case. Let's set the time on this. I think that will be educational on this 556. So we'll check the handy dandy Panerai 682, and we can see that it is almost one. So let's do that. So I'm going to screw down crown, of course. So unscrew the crown. So it comes out to that first position. You can wind it, so it's got hand winding, of course. Second hand starts up. Go to that first position. There's no date, but there's still a stop right there. So you got to go all the way out. So there is a ghost date, and so we'll just go backwards. Hang on 1 second. So, yeah. Right there. So, yeah, a nice Swiss automatic movement. But again, it does have a ghost date. There is a first stop right there. And so, you know, a lot of brands have that. A lot of cheaper brands have that. You know, even watches with a no date complication, you'll still have the stop at the crown for where the date complication typically would have been. It's a way to save money, but a little bit disappointing, I guess, that Sinn is using that. You know, so it's a little more premium if they have actually a purpose-built no-date movement. Even the current ones of the 556i with the no-date version have the ghost date. So something just to think about and just to be aware of. But again, it's a 556. It's a solid watch. You know, it's great. Comparing it to my old 556A and my regular 556i, you know, I think they're both. I mean, all three watches are terrific. Of all three, I think clearly the 556A is the one to own. You know, just the numerals, the Arabics on the dial are just so well done, and having the date complication, it's subtle, but it's very helpful and very unique. But you know, I kind of like what Sinn is doing here. You know, they're kind of sort of leaning into that trend of like fun, funky colors, and gosh, nothing says fun and funky more than a German tool watch brand. So a little bit of sarcasm there, but no, it's cool. I mean, you know, so there's lots of different colors. There's like a Tiffany blue, there's an orange, a yellow, a green. They're fine. I mean, they're great. If I'm buying a Sinn, though, I'm looking at black dial, purpose-built tool watch. But I think it is what it is. You know what I mean? People buy watches for different reasons, and if you want the quality of a Sinn, but with a different, like, fun, funky dial, then there are certainly options out there for you. And this, like every other 556, I can just highly recommend. It's just a great watch, beautifully made, and fits really well on the wrist. It's a drama-free watch with tons of specs. Of course, you get the anti-reflective crystal, sapphire there, and all the typical 556 goodness. Like I said, guys, this is a quick video, and it's an emergency video because this has to be put in the mail today as part of a complex trade for another watch that I've wanted for a long time. You know, it's like I say all the time, you know, the watch game moves quickly, and whenever you have the opportunity to get something you've always wanted, trade up, go for it. I mean, that would be my recommendation. Go for it. And so be on the lookout for the follow-up video where I show y'all what I traded for. Anyway, guys, best of luck. God bless. Coming at y'all soon with some more videos. I hope you like this quick look at the 556i with the Mocha dial. check it out. It's a cool watch, not too expensive. You know, the Sinn pricing and the price of these 556s is pretty stable. You know, for a good 556A, you're going to pay a premium. The eye is a little cheaper, and then depending on the dial color, these no-date eyes, you know, the prices are all over the place. This is one of the less expensive ones. You know, this is probably about $800-900 for a 556i M. But if you want like one of the fun, funky colors, you know, people pay up to like $1,200, $1,300, $1,400 for those. Not really money well spent, I would say. I'm always going to tell you, look, get the cheapest 556 you can. This is not like a collectible watch, but it is an excellent watch and one I'll always recommend. I think just unequivocally this is the best Sinn you can buy, certainly the best one you can buy for the money. Guys, take care. God bless. Looking forward to make some more content for y'all real soon. Okay, bye.